If you only have £100 and you are thinking about investing it, you probably wonder, should you put it in stocks, crypto, or funds? In this video, I am going to break it down for you step by step, explaining each option clearly, so you can make a smart decision and avoid common beginner mistakes. By the end of this video, you will have a clear strategy to start investing in the UK safely and effectively. Welcome to Smart Money UK, the channel where we teach smart investing and online earning strategies. If you are a beginner and you want to learn how to grow your money over time, this video is made especially for you. Investing may seem intimidating at first, but with a simple approach and the right strategy, anyone can start building their financial future. Let's start with stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you are buying a small piece of that company. For example, companies like Apple Inc., Microsoft, or Amazon are very popular stocks in the market. If the company grows and makes more profit, the value of its stocks usually increases, which means your investment grows as well. Stocks are best for people who have patience and are willing to invest for the long term. They can provide excellent returns over time, especially if you choose strong companies with consistent growth. However, it is important to remember that stock prices can go up and down. This is normal, and it's part of the investing process. Sometimes the stock value may drop temporarily, but historically, well-established stocks tend to recover and grow in value over time. Now let's move on to crypto. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency, with Bitcoin being the most well-known example. Unlike stocks, crypto can be extremely volatile. Its price can rise or fall dramatically in a very short period of time. This is what makes crypto both exciting and risky. Some investors have made huge profits in crypto, but others have experienced significant losses. The key rule for investing in crypto is to only invest what you can afford to lose. Do not put all your money into crypto, especially if you are a beginner. Crypto can be a part of your investment portfolio, but it should not be your only investment. It is a high-risk, high-reward option, and you need to be prepared for sudden changes in the market. Next, let's talk about funds. Funds, also known as mutual funds or ETFs, allow you to invest your money in a collection of stocks or other assets. Instead of putting your money in one company, your investment is spread across multiple companies. This provides diversification, which reduces risk. Funds are generally safer than investing in a single stock or crypto because your money is not dependent on the performance of just one company. For beginners, funds are an excellent choice. They offer stable growth over time and can help you gradually build wealth without exposing yourself to too much risk. The profit may not be as high as crypto, but the risk is significantly lower, making funds a great option for those who want a balanced investment strategy. So if we compare all three investment options, stocks have medium risk. They can provide good returns over time but require patience and research. Crypto has high risk. It can provide fast and large returns, but it can also lead to significant losses. Funds have low risk. They offer steady growth and are safer for beginners. A smart investor often uses all three types of investments in a balanced way. Diversification is key to reducing risk and increasing the potential for long-term gains. If I personally had £100 to invest, I would allocate it as follows: £60 in funds for safe, steady growth, £30 in stocks to take advantage of medium-risk opportunities, £10 in crypto for high-risk, high-reward potential. This allocation is a balanced strategy that combines safety, growth, and a chance for quick profit. It allows you to take advantage of different types of investments while minimizing potential losses. Now let's discuss some common mistakes that beginners make. One of the most common mistakes is putting all their money into crypto without understanding the risks. This can lead to huge losses very quickly. Another mistake is investing without doing proper research or following trends blindly. Investing without knowledge is like gambling, and it can be very dangerous for your financial future. Always remember these golden rules. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money into one type of investment. Invest what you can afford to lose, especially for high-risk options like crypto. Keep learning. Read, watch videos, and educate yourself about investing trends. Be patient. Wealth is built over time, not overnight. It is also important to track your investments regularly. Check how your stocks, crypto, and funds are performing, and make small adjustments if needed. But avoid panicking over short-term changes, especially in stocks and crypto, because temporary ups and downs are normal in investing. Another important tip is to avoid scams and get-rich-quick schemes. Many beginners are tempted by promises of fast money. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Focus on building knowledge, making informed decisions, and sticking to a consistent strategy. In the UK, there are many platforms to start investing, like trading apps for stocks and crypto, and online platforms for mutual funds. Make sure to choose a trusted and regulated platform to ensure your money is safe. In summary, the best strategy for beginners is to start small, diversify your investments, and be patient. You can combine funds, stocks, and a small portion of crypto to build a balanced portfolio. Over time, this approach can help you grow your wealth safely and effectively. So to recap, stocks, medium risk, long-term growth, good for patient investors. Crypto, high risk, high reward, only invest what you can afford to lose. Funds, low risk, stable growth, perfect for beginners. Remember, smart investing is not about chasing quick profits, but about making informed decisions, managing risk, and growing your money over time. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning every day. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Smart Money UK. Comment below and let me know. Would you invest in stocks, crypto, or funds first? Your answer could help other beginners too. Investing is a journey, and every small step you take today can lead to big financial growth in the future. Start your journey now, follow these strategies, and watch your money grow wisely.